Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish collection of hand embroidered sleeves or sleeves embroidery ideas. Both of these terms are attributed to one thing, that is how you can design your sleeves with the help of hand embroidery designs, with the help of hand embroidery beautiful creatures, and the beauty and creativity of these designs make them much more elegant, that is they are bidimensional. You can equally use these patterns of hand embroidery for designing machine embroidery patterns, and even you can also get amazing and trendy ideas of not designing the sleeves of your shirts, kurti, short length dresses, and even the beauty and creativity makes them much more elegant that you can equally use this for especially the aim of Arabian style girls or Arabic girls. That is, they can use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery for their abaya, jalebias, for their different type of gowns, and the Western style community can also use these very beautiful patterns of sleeves embroidery for making their full length or medium or quarter length dresses, sleeves, or for bodycon dresses, and even equally, especially for Bohemian style frocks, for Ukrainian style frocks, for traditional Chinese, Japanese, and Korean style midi dresses. So all of these dresses could be designed for different type of community of girls, women, and teenagers by designing these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. So I hope that you have liked the today's ideas and concepts of leaves embroidery. So stay tuned for more and new upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you soon in my new videos.